Let me guess. You've been seeing those ads about people making millions online while sleeping, right? Well, I've got news for you. Some of it's actually true. But here's what those fancy ads don't tell you. I'm about to show you the real ways to make money online in 2025, and trust me, it's not all sunshine and passive income. But stick around, because this might just change your life, or at least your bank account. Let's talk about one of the most controversial methods, solo ads. You know, where you pay someone to send your offer to their email list. Sounds amazing, right? But hold on to your wallet, because here's where it gets interesting. The pros? Instant traffic, targeted audiences, and quick results if you get it right. The cons? It's like playing Russian roulette with your marketing budget. Low-quality traffic, fake clicks, and sometimes you're just throwing money into a digital black hole. Plus, those email lists, they might be more burned out than a workaholic on their fourth espresso. Here's the real kicker. For every success story you hear about solo ads, there are dozens of marketers who lost their shirts. And I mean that metaphorically, though I did once meet a guy who... But here's the thing. Solo ads can work if you follow these golden rules. First, always start small. Second, test everything. And third, never ever spend money you can't afford to lose. The secret to making money online in 2025 isn't about finding that one magical method. It's about being smart, staying informed, and most importantly, not falling for those get-rich-quick schemes that sound too good to be true. The real winners in the online space are the ones who treat it like a real business. They learn, they adapt, and yes, sometimes they fail. But they keep going, armed with knowledge and a healthy dose of skepticism. And speaking of knowledge, if you found this eye-opening, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to expose next. Trust me, we've barely scratched the surface of what's possible in the online world. Just remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. See you in the next video.